There is a fire alarm. Oh my god!
We're like, well, this is good timing. It's at least the end of the show.
Kawhi!
They want all of us to evacuate the building. That's gonna be rough. Is there like an emergency exit out the other way?
No.
Don't escalators stop during fires?
And they do have to press this button.
Get up these things, over here. Let's go. Go. Thank you very much.
Jason and Dave. Stay alive. Stay alive.
Everyone calm down.
Women and children.
What are we doing? Women and children.
Sorry, I dropped the keys. Hey!
Women and children. Of course.
We meet a Rob.
I've been directing fire traffic in place of IRT.
They're that way, Dave and Jason.
Yeah, there was one that was coming up this way, but I was yelling at people to leave, so he turned around and walked.
Nice.
It's a fire truck! But as you can see, not everybody listens.
No.
So we should probably make our way outside and find out actually IRT.
Yay! Joe!
Really?
Yeah. I chronicle the event.
But I'm not a woman or a child. I may be a woman child.
How are we all gonna fit?
Outside? Well, there's a world out there. I don't know if you worry about it. But
No.
the world's kind of large.
No, are we fitting on the hotel property or?
Probably not. Jesus Christ.
Oh God, the masquerade's going right now, isn't it?
Possibly.
Oh.
Come on, guys. We need to get away from the building. Common fire procedure. Don't be dumb. Play it safe.
They deserve to be dumb if they're dumb.
I agree, but you know, if you wanna possibly die.
There's a man up there.
Hooray!
Suck.
There is a dude up there.
You see him?
I stepped on a cone.
Okay, I would think my favorite underwear
My hand's on your butt, Joe. It's not even getting chronicle of my hand on your butt.
Yeah. I got footage.
Yeah, you look like the ones you look good in. Yeah, the ones you look the best in. The best one.
Where's the smoke?
Someone light a fire. There better be something back there.
Oh, look at that.
All right, that's enough.